Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope,
Oh, boy.
microscope.
All right, Brent. Well, as you can see, I have a wheel. This is a bicycle wheel. It's pretty much brand new. There's a brand new cartridge, 9-gear cartridge on here. I thought maybe it'd be...
Oh, that's interesting. These are different gears.
Yeah, there's
Each
nine,
one is a different gear?
9 gears here.
Oh, and the bigger the gear, the slower you go, or what? Because it takes more force, or the smaller the gear, the
It's
faster?
not about slower. It's about...
force. It's easier to pedal if it's a bigger... It's easier to pedal if it's a smaller gear, or what?
This is the rear wheel, so the smaller gear is actually the higher gear. If you're going faster, you're going to be on a smaller size.
Because it rotates quicker.
Yeah.
Or something.
No, slower. The guy at the bike shop told me that they have special. They're very precise because they're designed so the chain slips off and into the next gear easily, right? And if you look
How do you make a chain go into the other tooth?
with the derailleur, see this little divot there? That has something to do with it too.
Look at the wheel.
Let's look at this is a brand new bike tire. Let's just look at the bike tire.
It looks so not black. You know?
So that's the side of the tire where it's kind of just the ridges, you know. Here's the actual tread.
Look at that tread. Deep, isn't it?
You can see the mold of the rubber. There's a little imperfection there. It's kind of interesting. See that?
It almost looks like an optical... I mean, it looks... I'm seeing it pop out. Are you seeing it pop out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm seeing it coming out at us.
Yeah, we've
not...
seen this before. It's
Yeah.
kind of cool.
It's so weird because it doesn't look like it's going in.
If you look at the valve here, that might be kind of cool. Ooh.
Looks like a pineapple.
That's where the air goes in.
Right.
You unscrew this thing, the pineapple part. You unscrew that. It's kind of like a helmet now. And then you press it down. See if it goes.
Oh!
Scared ya?
A little bit. A little bit. A little bit.
Okay.
All right. Well, how
What-
about this thing, the reflector?
What about the reflector?
Oh, wow. This is a kind of a cool kind of thing. Right?
This is the reflector. Yeah, it's so crazy you can't even tell what angle you're looking at it at, you know?
Right. It's just a real prism world.
Every time you tilt, it just looks like
You know,
you're looking
actually,
at it flat.
This is very cool and abstract, actually. Isn't it?
Yeah.
It looks like, yeah, Where Are You? This kind of reminds me of a Kate Bush music video.
It reminds me of like THX, whatever. You know that movie?
11:38.
Is there any kind of thing that looks like this in there?
I maybe so. Yeah. It's been a while since I've seen it. I've seen both the short film and the full-length movie. That's cool. That's a world. That's another world.
That's pretty cool.
It's a geometrical world. It's, yeah. Where Are You?
Oh, that's kind of cool. Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope.